The MapThat search tools are available from the top left hand corner of your project. We can search against addresses, terrier data, land registry information, schools, leisure centres, planning applications and multitude of layers. Let's choose to do an address search first. Once we choose that search, it will load within MapThat. We've got options to search by full address, street name, postcode. In this case, let's go for a street name, and as we type, see how it's filtering on that record. Once we press OK, it runs the results and they're provided in the results panel below the search. We're going to choose a record from the list, and because we've got zoom to feature and display feature auto toggled, the address layer will display and will recenter over that record. Let's clear that now. Let's run another search. So we'll open up the address search again. This time we'll do it against postcode. So if we don't know the full postcode, we could type it, and as we type, see how it's filtering against that data. Once we press OK, because this is a postcode record, we should get multiple values. We can select the record from the list, and again it will auto center and zoom to that feature. In addition to searching against addresses, we can also search for your asset information. So let's close that search down, let's clear the map, and let's have a look against maybe some terrier data. So in this case, we have a combo box which allows us to filter the data as we type. So as we start typing the numbers, notice it's filtering on the values 3, 4, 6. We'll run that ID search, and because it's a wildcard, it finds where 3, 4, 6 is anywhere within any record, and click on the record we're interested in. MapThat will auto zoom to that location, it'll display the layer, and we can show the rest of the attributes in the bubble. Let's run another search now. Let's have a look at doing a school search. So if we choose a Liverpool school search, in this case let's do a combination of options. Let's have a look for where maybe the status is open, so we have a choice of tick boxes, and where the type is a nursery school. So two choices, we'll press OK. Notice how we're not zooming to a feature, but we're going to display the layer. This now brings back the records where the school status is open and they're a nursery school. Let's choose a record, and notice how a pin has been placed within the map, but we're not zooming to that feature. Finally, let's do a search then on some planning applications. So let's close that search, clear the map, and run our final search. So we're going to choose against the application number of a planning application. Again, we've got a box that will filter as we type. Maybe in the explanation we can put details of what the application numbers start with. So we're going to type APP, and as we type it filters to show us the records that start with those values. We'll choose a record from the list, we'll press OK, and again the results panel updates with any or all of the records related to the search we've run. We're going to zoom to the feature and also display the layer, so the planning applications will appear in the map once we select the record. MapThat's recentered over that planning application. If we click on it in a map, we can see that it relates to the search that we've run. That's the MapThat search tools. Any search can be created. If there's one not available to you, please speak to your MapThat administrator.